Hey everyone, so welcome to this video. In this video, I will show you how to reset BYJU'S SD card. So this can be done on PC and on mobile as well, but I personally would suggest to do it on PC because there are certain securities you have to bypass, certain protections you have to bypass, and on PC it can easily you can do it and reset your BYJU'S SD card. So let's just get right into it. And if you're on your PC, you have to purchase this adapter. So what you will do is that either you will purchase this adapter or your PC needs to have any SD card reader. If it doesn't, you just have to purchase this adapter. This has this USB port which will be inserted in your laptop or your PC, and there's this is the SD card reader. So you will just insert your SD card over here, and then you will connect this whole SD card reader, the USB part, to your PC. Now, moving onward, once you connect it, you have to go into settings, right click it, and when you will right click it, you can just have these options in front of you. And to make sure the capacity is good, you need to select this. And on file system, you have all these following options. You can select these, and then you just need to go down, click on quick format, and then start it. So now through this way, your SD card is easily formatted. And the next thing is, if you're doing it on your mobile, you will insert the same way as I have told you above, and these options will pop up. What you will do is that you will simply click this format SD card. Through this, all your data, your songs, your photos will be deleted, and the whole SD card will be formatted. And through this, you can easily format or reset your BYJU'S SD card. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you.